Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dribble, how to create a website for your crafts and arts business on Dribble, easy and quick. So first type Dribble to search. So as we know, Dribble website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know you can build this website in just 30 seconds with AI, and also we know this AI website builder can generate an entire website with images and copy in seconds. So first of all, let's sign in. Now enter your now create your new business and enter your business name. Enter your business name, craft and arts business. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create the business. So wait a few minutes or a few seconds to generate this website business. So first of all, let's go to the first section. You can edit it from here. Now edit the site name, and if you want to change the site name, also if you want to turn this on the logo and upload the file here, and if you want to change the label, also if you want to add external link, if you want to manage the social link settings, and here if you want to add a channel, a social links, if you want to add a social link, just select the type, and if you want to add a link here, now save this. And if you want also to add a section, just select any section here you want and select, and it will be added. So let's move on to the next section. This is the banner section. If you want to change this, just click regenerate. Also the subtext, if you want to regenerate it, if you don't like it, click regenerate. That's it. If you want to turn the button and add a label and add a link, external link, I'm gonna turn this off, and let's save this, and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the gallery section. You can change this. Now if you want, if you don't like the image, just click generate. Now if you want to upload from here or from library or from here, now let's pick some images. I'm gonna choose some images from here. I'm gonna choose this, for example. Now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the text section. If you don't like the text, you can regenerate it. So that's it. Click save, and let's move on to the next section. This is the list section. If you want to, you can change this. You can also manage your display settings. You can manage the image and the icon, the heading, the content, and the button here. And you can manage the list items, and you can add list item here. You can manage the image position. You can generate a title, and you can generate content. Also you can add a label, and you can add a link. Now save this, and let's move on to the next section. This is the testimonials section. You can add testimonials. You can add a generate a code. You can here generate by who. You can upload the file here. Now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the location section. If you want to change this, also if you want to change your business address, and if you want to add additional text files, you can add a title here. Also you can add a content. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the contact form section. Click on edit if you want to regenerate the contact form. If you want to manage files here, manage it from here. Now if you want to turn this on, custom input label, if you want to change the name, if you want to add your email, your business email, and if you want to add a message here, also if you want to generate a form success message, so just click generate and save it, and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the footer. I think this is the last section. You can change the business name if you want. You can turn this on the logo and upload the file here. Now you can add additional details here. Here you can turn this on and add a label, and you can add external link. Also here you can manage your social links settings. Also here you can add a channel if you want. Just select the social links type. You can also add a link here. Now before we end this, before we complete this editing of this business website, if you want to regenerate uh, any content of this section, just select the content, and it will be regenerated. If you want also to regenerate the style, if you don't like it, just select the style and it will be regenerated. And if you want to if you don't like the entire section, can you can change it. So that's it. If you want to duplicate the section, just like this. If you want to delete the section, you can delete it from this icon of delete. Just click on it and it will be removed. If you want to move it up or move it down, so that's it for today. Now just click save and wait a few minutes, a few seconds to create this website business. Now here just click here and you're gonna create your website business easy and quick. And that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.